today we're going to talk about cream of tartar and its uses. Cream or tartar or potassium bitartrate is a byproduct of winemaking. It is a powdered form of tartaric acid. Bakers find it handy because it is one of the few acidic ingredients that is in powdered form. What are the uses of cream of tartar? Cream of tartar works as a stabilizer, anti-caking and thickening agent. It is also a common acidic component in baking powder. Hence, it also works as a leavening agent. We can make baking powder from cream of tartar. I'll show you. In baked goods, cream of tartar is used to give muffins, cakes and cookies their rise. Meringue recipes typically call for cream of tartar to help to stabilize the egg whites during whipping to create that high stiff peaks. Like in whipping egg whites in Malaysia's favorite pandan chiffon cake. It also prevents sugar syrup from crystallizing like when making mooncake dough, which is golden syrup. Cream of tartar is also used in whipped cream to stabilize it. Cream of tartar is used in making gingerbread house frosting soft. The softening effect of cream of tartar is also in making homemade Playdough. To make baking powder, you need cream of tartar, bicarbonate of soda, and corn flour, or you can use rice flour as well. To make baking powder, you use 1 part of bicarbonate of soda, 2 parts of cream of tartar, 1 part of corn flour or cornstarch, and you mix it. The cornstarch is more to give it like an inert base for the 2 ingredients. If you do not have cream of tartar, you can replace it with lime or lemon. You can replace it with vinegar, white vinegar, or any type of vinegar that you have. 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar is equivalent to 2 teaspoons of vinegar or lemon juice. Wait, let's take a closer look. In the tub is not potassium bitartrate, but monopotassium tartrate. But do not worry, it belongs to the tartaric acid group. The food additive number E336 is for potassium tartrates, and E3361 is for monopotassium tartrate. So, we're good. How long does cream of tartar last? It's a staple 1 ingredient food, so there's nothing that will cause it to rot. Check for any visible leaks, rust, condensation, cracks or punctures. Open the container and visibly inspect for visual signs of moisture or drip marks. If there is, discard the content. Shake the tub. Make sure it is still a loose powder and haven't settled into a solid lump. It should be safe to use then. Now to test if your cream of tartar is still good. Use half a cup of hot water. Add half a teaspoon of cream of tartar to it. Then add a generous amount of bicarbonate of soda and it should sizzle. You get the same reaction with vinegar. Add 1 teaspoon of vinegar to the hot water and then add 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda and it should sizzle. If you're still watching, please click the subscribe button. So, to summarize, cream of tartar is acidic and it can be replaced with vinegar or lemon or lime juice. Secondly, it lasts a very long time. And thirdly, it can be used to make baking powder. If you find my video informative and useful, please don't hesitate to subscribe and share my video. That will make me very happy. For more videos on how to test your raising agent like your baking soda and baking powder, click the videos here and you have more recipes as well. So until the next time, until the next round, I'm Nyonyarecipe. Nyonyarecipe is a fine place for fabulous food and I share with you my food journey. So see you then on the next video. Bye! Thank you.